Hey friends, this is Natif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Bitcoin is once again bounced very well from the support of a broadening falling wedge pattern. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then here we have some good news and some bad news as well, because you can see that we have a very nice impulsive bounce from the support of the broadening falling wedge pattern. But at the same time, if we take a look at the simple moving averages, the simple moving average 50 and SMA 200 on this daily time frame chart, then you can see that 50 simple moving average is about to cross down the 200 daily simple moving average. That is the formation of the death cross. And by the way, previously when this death cross was formed, that was by the way formed here in the month of September 2023, then you can see that for a few days, the price and had been moving under this resistance of 200. But after that, we had a very massive rally. And by the way, when this death cross is formed during the bull run, that can be the very nice time to buy or re-enter the Bitcoin. And you can see that for a few days, it had been moving here sideways. And finally, we broke it out. And this death cross was formed during the bull run. But when it was formed below the bull run, before the bull run, like it was formed here back in the month of January 2022, when it was in quite long-term bearish trend. And at the same time, it was also moving inside a very big falling wedge pattern as well. Then you can see that for very long term, it was bearish. And after the breakout, when we received the bull cross and we received this golden cross here in the month of Feb 2023, then the very long-term bull run was begun. Therefore, right now you can see that we are still in the bull run. Therefore, it is possible that this death cross could be a fake signal. At the same time, we also have a bullish divergence flash on the 7 days time frame chart. And we have also re-entered the same up channel that was previously broken down, that can now the previous support of the channel can now again break as a strong support. And at the same time, you can see that the price line was forming a lower low here on the 7 days time frame chart. At the same time, you can see that RSI was also forming higher low than previous. So therefore, there is also a bullish divergence on this chart. And at the same time, we have this very big bullish divergence, and the price line has again broken out this uptrend line resistance as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for people, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 14th of July 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this for the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that Bitcoin is moving inside this falling broadening wedge pattern. And whenever it is getting bounced from the support, you can see it is forming lower highs. And after getting rejected by the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern, it is forming lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, another lower low here, and lower high. And now it has formed another lower than previous low, and now it is about to hit the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern as well. But this time, we have very strong resistance here. That is these two moving averages. One is the 50, another one is the 200 daily simple moving average. And there are also forming a death cross here as well. Therefore, if the price then breaks out these moving averages, then we can avoid this death cross. And it is also possible that the price then may be rejected by this resistance, these two moving averages, the resistance of these two moving averages. However, here we have a very critical support that is at $60,000. Previously, it had been working as a support here, support here, support here, and support here. And this time you can see that the price line is about to test the support once again. Therefore, now we need to keep an eye on this support of $60,000 and these two moving averages, the daily 50 and daily 200 simple moving averages. By the way, whenever this death cross is formed during the bull run, that can be a very, very nice time to rebuy or re-enter the Bitcoin because you can see previously when during the bull run, we had received this bull cross. And you can see that Bitcoin for a few days has been moving here sideways. In fact, slightly moved up as well. And finally, after breaking out these two moving averages, we had a very, very massive rally. And before that, when it was formed during the bear trend, when we were in the bear market back in January 2022, after the death cross formation, you can see that Bitcoin entered in a very, very long term bearish trend. Therefore, this time it is possible that this signal will be a fake one because on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we also have a very, very big bullish divergence flash as well. This can be another signal that this signal can be a fake one. And we have also broken out this previous support of the channel that was now working at the resistance. And you can see that the price has broken it out and re-entered the channel. And now it is trying to break out this resistance of $60,000 on the 7 days time frame chart. Now, the weekly closing above the $60,000 will be very significant. And also, we will need to break out these two resistance levels, the simple moving average 50 and simple moving average 200. If the price breaks them out, then we can avoid this death cross and the price can read the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern somewhere here, approximately at $69,000. And if the price breaks out this level, this resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern, then technical target will be here approximately at $73,800. And now if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that we have a very, very long-term resistance on from 69 to $73,794 that had been breaking other resistance on for the past several months. It is breaking other resistance on. Therefore, if the price breaks out this resistance on, then we can expect a very, very massive pump up to the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.